Yo, what up YouTube? Alright, so this is my board setup. Let's check it out. Alright, so about to assemble this beauty. Actually, yeah, I need that light. Okay. So check this out. This is my board. Custom board. 8.5. Shout out Pretty Rad. From Instagram. At Pretty Rad. Does super dope work. With the yellow top. It's gotta be the yellow top. If it's not, then you got. And then also, shout out Pretty Rad for throwing these classic aces my way. Some 55s. Got some stickers from the local skate shop. Alright, GoPro, start recording. Alright, so it's a cool little indicator on these Pretty Rad boards. I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can. There's an N right here. That's for nose. And then on the back it's the tail. Alright. Oh my gosh. Getting carpet everywhere. On the nose I usually hang off like a little edge, so I don't have to carve around everything. I'm gonna do a little offset, like that. So you try and get the air bubbles out. I want to use these hardware. He gave me the Ace hardware, but these are 7/8. I think I need inch hardware because of the risers, because of these things. And then I always try and cut away from me, and if it's not away from me, then I stay back. You know what I mean? Like I stay away from the blade. So I'm cutting this way rather than cutting this way. Because it could get dicey. Been listening to the Isley Brothers in the car. So many classics. Got a song stuck in my head. I wanna be living for the love. If you sing songs on YouTube, I guess, would it, is it like copyright infringement if it's the beat or if it's the lyrics or both? You know what? I don't usually do this, but my grip tape's kind of a hack job right now, so I'm gonna sand down the edges. And then I'm gonna vacuum, because you don't want to leave this for, you know, other people to pick up your mess. Gotta be responsible human beings, you know? Know what I mean? These Sector 9 ones, they come in a pack of 4. I only need 2. But it's good to have some backups, though. I guess you could stack them on each side. But yeah, it comes in 4. Plenty. Plenty for what I'm trying to get into. It is. It is. I hope that's gonna be big enough. I know it might not look like much, but these shock absorbers, they give me more lift off. When I pop ollies, when I pop tricks, it like snappier. Which, I mean, I learned it from Paul Smith, but doing it firsthand, you could totally feel the difference, especially after you get used to them and comfortable. La da 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 da. Shout out Pretty Rad again. Shout out local skate shop, Slappy's Garage, Urban Water, New Line Skate Parks, Ace Trucks, Shieldless Mag, Bones, Bronson. We on. Yeah. Shout out. What up? Pretty Rad himself. He made all these boards right here, matter of fact. That's a Street Hippo. This is the same shape as mine. Oh, he's got rails on his. Hold on. Whoa, whoa. Alright, that's it, y'all. We out.